Today has gone so well. We have volunteers here from Atlanta Technical College. All the faculty has turned out and it's been amazing.
Good morning. Hi, welcome to Atlanta Tech. Glad to have you guys here on a Friday morning.
Volunteers from Wells Fargo. They are leading the kids through a financial literacy course.
We have a program called Hands-on Banking, and this particular program is called Teaching Children to Save. And the one that we did today was focused around buying a car.
We're reading to them a book today called Festival of Colors, and Mrs. Young and Dr. Sehgal, which is her book, we're reading, and she's also founder of the Mentor Walk and of the Campus Community Partnership Foundation. So we're reading her book to the kids today, getting them to walk around and really see the school and everything that Atlanta Technical College has to offer. We've got stations like the Criminal Justice Department, culinary, paralegal services, electrical, automotive, lots of different stations here today, welding, so they get to see a little bit about all kinds of activities that they could go into for their future.